Welcome to Reeasyplan. My real estate mate asked me to record a video of me creating a floor plan. I'd like to think it's because of my beautiful voice, but he also said it's really quick and easy, any fool can do it. So I guess that tells you what he thinks of me. Anyway, let's get to it. Let me quickly sign in. I'll put on a 3-minute timer to see how long this takes. There. The first thing we do is we upload a floor plan. After the floor plan is uploaded, we upload some photos of the house that I want to showcase. I can do that one by one, or I can select a bunch and upload them all at the same time. And now the fun begins. We can select each photo and place them as blips on the floor plan. I have no idea where these go, so I just place them anywhere. The one at the top right there, I don't like it, so I'm going to remove it. Just click it and I'll remove it and place it again. Once everything is placed, all that I have to do is give it a name or an address and save it. Once the floor plan is saved, you can publish it for 1 credit, and I'll have a quick look how many credits I've got. Each account starts with 2 free credits, so I should be okay. Yeah, that's it. I've got 2 credits, but I noticed that the blips were not to my liking. So let me just change the color to, teal. Looks pretty good. They're also a bit small, so I'm going to increase the size to 10. And let's have a look. Should I keep that border? Let's have a look. I was swapped it out. No, now the border is nicer. It makes it stand out a bit more. There it is. All right, so let's save it again to make the changes persist. And now we're ready to publish it. Publish, there it is. Once it's published, the floor plan is available to the public. There it is, it costs 1 credit, I've got 2, so that should be good. And there it is. Handy button to copy the URL, and that URL can be pasted in your CRM or straight onto realestate.com.au or domain or wherever you need it. Let's have a look what it looks like for a potential buyer. As you can see in the bottom right, it took 2 minutes and 10 seconds to create, save, and publish a floor plan. So that's pretty good. And there it is. Anyone can just hover over these blips and see the pictures, the photos of the rooms. Very easy, no fancy equipment. All done.